In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize SEO on Hostinger Website Builder. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your site editor and locating the SEO settings. You can access these either from the main SEO settings area or by clicking the Pages icon and then opening the specific page settings for any individual page. This gives you two levels of control: a global overview that applies across the site, and per-page settings that let you tailor search results and link previews for each page. In the Overview section, focus first on adding your business or brand name. This helps search engines associate your pages with the correct brand and improves consistency across results. While you're here, set the default language for your website. Choosing the right language is important for regional search relevance and for telling search engines which audience you're targeting. Next, upload a favicon and link preview image. For the favicon, use a square logo. It should be clear at small sizes since browsers display it in tabs and bookmarks. For social sharing and link previews, upload an image-sized 1200 by 630 pixels. This is the recommended size for most social platforms and will prevent awkward cropping when your pages are shared. Keep the image visually tied to your brand and make sure it's optimized for web use so it loads quickly. Now move on to optimizing individual pages. Open the page you want to optimize, for example the home page, and use the built-in AI SEO assistant. Click Generate New SEO Info, and the assistant will guide you through describing your page. When you write the brief page description, be concise and specific. State what the page offers and who it's for. This helps the AI produce a relevant title and meta description. Choose up to 3 relevant keywords for that page. Pick a primary keyword that directly matches the page's main topic, and 1 or 2 supporting keywords that represent related searches. Keep keywords natural and focused. Avoid keyword stuffing. After you provide the page description and keywords, review what the AI generates. It will propose an SEO title and a meta description. Read them carefully to make sure they accurately reflect the content and include your main keyword in a natural way. If needed, tweak wording for clarity or branding, then click Finish to apply the changes. A couple of quick tips. Keep titles readable and under search engine length limits, and craft meta descriptions to invite clicks with a clear benefit. With these steps, your Hostinger site will be better optimized for both search engines and social sharing, making it easier for people to find and engage with your content.